Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up to LaCie Rugged drives with safety checks, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, connect your LaCie Rugged drive to your computer using the appropriate cable. Once connected, ensure that the drive is recognized by your operating system. For Windows users, open File Explorer and locate the LaCie drive under this PC. For Mac users, open Finder and check. Before transferring files, create a new folder on the LaCie drive for organization. This will help you keep your backup files separate from any existing data. Next, select the files and folders you want to backup from your computer. Right-click on the selected files and choose Copy for Windows or Copy for Mac. Navigate back to the newly created folder on your LaCie drive. Right-click inside the folder and select Paste to transfer your files. While the files are transferring, keep an eye on the transfer progress indicator. Once the transfer is complete, safely eject the LaCie drive from your computer. To do this, right-click on the LaCie drive icon and select Eject for Windows. On a Mac, click the eject icon next to the drive's name in Finder. Now, let's implement safety checks to ensure your backup is successful. Reconnect the LaCie drive to your computer after safely ejecting it. Open the LaCie drive again and navigate to the folder where you pasted your files. Check that all files are present and accessible. Open a few random files to verify they are not corrupted. Once confirmed, securely keep the LaCie drive in a safe location. This will help protect your data from physical damage or theft. Remember to perform this backup procedure regularly for updated data protection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.